Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 5. We're really in the home stretch, second to last week. Thank you very much for your great discussion in week 4 and your assignments. This week, we're going to be talking about individuals with intellectual disabilities. And you're going to be having a little bit of a easier lift with your reading, only one chapter this week, chapter 6, individuals with intellectual disabilities. I am, however, going to be asking you to watch 2 videos, and one of the videos is actually about a half an hour long. So the first one is, what is an intellectual disability? The second one, when you click on it, it's actually going to take you to YouTube. For some reason, the embedding didn't work, but it should take you right to YouTube. And I'm going to ask you to watch a 30-minute video called Educating Peter. You'll see it's a little old. It's from 1992, but I still think it's a pretty seminal piece about inclusion and inclusion with a little boy. His name is Peter, and he does have Down syndrome. So I'll be interested to know what your thoughts are about educating Peter, about Peter's experience and about the teacher's experience. And if you really like that video, if you Google Educating Peter, there's actually a follow-up video when Peter, all of a sudden I'm blanking on the name, but there is a video of Peter when he is older. If you want to find out more about sort of what happened with Peter. And I don't know if there's been anything even more recently. I think I will have to Google that when I'm done doing this. So our discussion this week is going to be about educating Peter. And you're going to look at Peter and Mrs. Collins and give your impressions and let us know what you think. Again, it's from 1992, but I don't think the general concepts about inclusion have changed. And I still think that watching Educating Peter can be a really great experience. I love the video. Be curious to know what you think. And then we do have our last exam for the class this week. Again, it's an open book exam. There are 20 multiple choice questions and an essay question. So you're going to have unlimited time to prepare for the exam and to take the exam. So you may want to go through any notes that you've taken and just about your readings and anything with your assignments. You should be able to get all the answers that you need. And what I will do, again, I will review and grade all of the exams, and then I will record an overview of any of the questions that seemed to need a little bit more information in general for the class. Please let me know at any point if anybody would like to do a synchronous session to go over the exam. I am more than happy to schedule that. I will send out a doodle and we'll see all the people that are interested, and then we'll schedule something when we can all get together. So I'm totally available to do that for you. Otherwise, I look forward to our discussion this week, and I look forward to grading your exams. And then only one more week left to go after this week. So have a great week, and looking forward to seeing and hearing from all of you. Bye-bye.